Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 8. How are you? Hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome back to our online platform NIFS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear learners, today I am going to conduct an agriculture studies class for the students of class 8. Let's see our today's topic. So look here, in our topic portion it is written chapter 5, lesson 3 and 4 discussion. I am telling again chapter 5, lesson 3 and 4 discussion. Dear learners, look here, this is our lecture number 5 on our annual term syllabus. Dear students of class 8, lesson 3 and 4, this topic, these two lessons are very important and interesting also. So we don't want to waste our time. In these connections, I request all of my students of class 8 to open your agriculture studies book. This book, agriculture studies book. Okay, and page number 81. The title is Importance of Mushroom Cultivation. Very much interesting lesson. Title is Importance of Mushroom Cultivation. I hope all of you have opened your agriculture studies book. Let's see. Importance of mushroom cultivation. Look at the picture. Look, a clear crystal picture about a mushroom. We know that the fungi are responsible for so many plant disease or fungus, but all the fungi do not cause any disease. There are many fungi or fungus who are beneficial for us. Mushroom is a such of fungi or fungus which is fully suitable as food. So Dalens, look at the important slide. Mushroom. There are many fungi or fungus who are beneficial for us. Among them, mushroom is such a type of fungi which is fully suitable as food. It is tasty and have medicinal. So look here, it is tasty and have medicinal qualities. Actually, mushroom is kind of productive part of saprophytic fungi which are edible, that means which we can eat. Many people mistake thinking about that mushroom and naturally grown toxic fruiting body swamp fungi, it is called umbrella of toads, are same thing which grows here and there. The thing is, mushroom is a type of vegetable grown in safe and clean environment. Look here, our main focus is on mushroom. And look at the scenery or look at the situation where it grows. Mushroom is a type of vegetable grown in safe and clean environment from the seed of spawn developed through tissue culture. Mushroom itself is a kind of tasty food and also it increases the taste of other food when used or mixed with other foods item. Taste of mushroom is similar to meat. Most delicious Chinese type of other meals of 5-star hotel levels are produced with mushroom. However, mushroom is used for cooking country methods for meal items like vegetables. Look at the items. Vegetables, fry, soup, pulao, biryani, noodles, shrimps and small fish preparation. Mushroom may be eaten as fresh, dried up and ground powder. So look, another way is mushroom may be eaten as fresh, dried up and ground powder. Mushroom is top level crop when considering for nutrition point of view because it contains very essential food elements such as proteins, vitamins and minerals at a very high level. Every 100 gram mushroom contains protein 25 to 35 grams, all vitamins and minerals 10 to 15 grams, carbohydrate and fiber 40 to 50 grams and fat 4.4 to 6 gram. The protein of mushroom is very high quality grade. This protein contains all of the essential 9th amino acid. Eating of this protein reduces the danger of high blood pressure. Look, why should we eat mushroom? So look, eating of this protein reduces the danger of high blood pressure, heart disease, obesity. Because this protein do not contain any harmful fat. Besides, the fats of mushroom help in increasing the activities of calcium and phosphorus in developing bones and teeth. Mushroom carbohydrates contain so many types of chemical elements which work for remedy for complex disease. Look at another usefulness or importance of mushroom. Vitamins and minerals create resistance power against disease in the body. Our body need or has a need for specific quantities of vitamins and minerals. We can meet up that required vitamins and minerals needs by eating mushroom. So dear learners, look at here, the spelling of mushroom is wrong. The correct one is M-U-S-H-R-O-O-M. Look at this one is the appropriate one. You will add here U. Next, mushroom is found to contain thiamine, vitamin B1 complex, riboflavin, vitamin B2 complex, niacin, etc. and minerals in sufficient quantities such as phosphorus, iron, calcium, copper, etc. Mushroom works both to prevent and cure many diseases such as diabetes, heart disease, high blood pressure, anemia. Look at the disease: diabetes, heart disease, blood pressure, anemia, dysentery, dropping of hair, cancer, tumor, etc. due to high quality food value. Next, a healthy typical human needs to uptake 200 to 250 grams of vegetables per day. We usually eat 40 to 50 grams of vegetable except potato per day. It is very low considering the total requirements. For the reasons we frequently suffer from different disease due to deficiency of vitamins and minerals. The cultivable lands are reducing very rapidly in Bangladesh. Most of the lands are now used for rice cultivation. This is very true. It is very difficult to increase land of vegetable cultivation. In the situation, mushroom may be a very potential crop. Mushroom, so look at the important line. In this situation, mushroom may be a very potential crop. Mushroom is such a type of crop which doesn't need very high fertile soils for its production. Another advantages of cultivating mushroom. That means to cultivate the mushroom, it doesn't have or it doesn't need high fertility soils or fertile soils. It may be cultivated in house in racks. It can be grown in a very short period of 7 to 10 days. The climate and weather of Bangladesh is very suitable for cultivation of mushroom. The materials for mushroom, raw materials, cultivation namely rice, straw. So look here, rice, straw, sawmill waste, sugarcane stubbles, rotting leaves, etc. are the chief and very much available. Mushroom cultivation is commercially very much profitable because mushroom requires low capital and low labor investment. The invested capital can be recovered with a very short period. On the other hand, more productions and profit and high market rates may be obtained per unit of land. So the unemployed youth can find their job work very easily through mushroom cultivation. Now dear learners, we will go to our next lesson. It is lesson 4, cultivation methods of mushroom. So look here, there are many species of, there are different varieties of mushrooms cultivation in different seasons. Milky, rishi, these straw mushrooms may be cultivated in summer season, while sitek, button, simaji and enoki may be cultivated in the winter season. So look here mushroom cultivation has been categorized into, one is winter, another one is summer. The year-round oyster mushroom is mostly cultivated in Bangladesh. So look at the picture. It is from the picture number 1, we have seen it is about a oyster mushroom, then milky white mushroom, then button mushroom, last one is commercial spawn. So look, how will we prepare our land? Mushroom seeds are produced in the laboratory through tissue culture method. Packaged seeds is available in the market for purchase by mushroom farmer, which are known as commercial spawn or commercial landowner. However, farmers themselves may also produce spawn locally using their straw method. Mushroom farmers have to produce the spawn, collecting mother spawn from the market in this case. So preparing the culture house, sufficient number of windows should be kept in the mushroom culture for air and oxygen movement. There should be shadowed light in the house. Arrangement should be made so that the temperature of the culture house remain within the range of 20 to 30 Celsius. Mushroom favors high relative atmospheric humidity. The relative humidity of the culture house should be in the range of 70 to 80. Dear learners, now we will go to how will we collect our spawn or how will we collect our seed. Spawn seed prepared in poly bag system should be collected from the reliable farms, and after constructing of the culture house, the main characteristics of good spoon that it will be white and packet will be uniformly. So look here, it will be white and the packet is uniformly and fully filled with fungal mycelium. Arrangement should be made to cut the collected spoon packets as soon as possible. Okay, these are the way how we will collect our spoon or seed. Now next one is cutting the packet. So look, cutting the packet, there are many informations are given, then aftercare, then other cares also, and last one is, so look here, mushroom harvest and preservations. So look here, what is it? It is mushroom harvest and preservation. Mushroom should be softly pulled up by the hand for harvest at the stage when it becomes sufficient large, but the stalks and veins do not seem loose. The mushroom to be marketed, putting it polythene bags after cutting and grading the polythenes bag should be made airtight through proper sealing the opening. Look at the last sentence. This mushroom may be eaten 2 to 3 days, keeping in cool dry place. Mushroom was found to remain good 7 to 8 days in fridge. Dear learners, from lesson, so after reading lesson 3 and 4, we have understood the importance of mushroom and how we will cultivate mushroom in a proper way, in a profitable way. That means from lesson 3 and 4 we have understood it is about the importance of mushroom cultivations. I think all of my students have understood, and keep practicing at home and abide by your parents' advice. See you again inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.